Okay, so here is my planetary wheel number 3. I just want to make sure there is a washer in the place, so I can put everything back where it belongs to. Here, see, there is nothing, so I'm missing the washer, which is right here, so I have to put it back. So it's almost, invisible, but the only way to find out is, a little like that, and you see it's moving, it's spinning, so it's there. So that's good, and that one has never been replaced, so it's spinning, so that's good. So I can put it back together, and I'm gonna keep it like that, and I'm gonna put it on the axle.